Everyone, in front of me is TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keypad. So this is the panel that we have to open. Let me show you one thing at first. Once you have more than one language applied on your device, over here, by tapping on this word icon, you can switch between languages, just like this. And now let me show you how to add a new language. So let's mark settings, then open languages, tap on add keyboard and choose the language that you want to use. For example, this one. Now let's remove unnecessary languages. Tap on bin icon and then go back. Now we've got one language only, the one that you selected. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.